Hello guys, Uncle Fix here. So today I want to share a video with you how to do windshield on a Western Star. We have 2015 4900 model. So basically it's a rubber job. So it's not a glue, it's a rubber job similar to Freightliner Cascadia or Mack garbage truck. So very easy, just just another job. So this video is gonna be short because it's lots of similarity here. All right, I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it. All right, and while you're watching, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Uncle Fix. There is gonna be a more video coming up. All right, let's go. So here is the glass. It's similar to Cascadia, right? There is lock and strip over here. So here is the tools you need, basically plastic and a hook. So with hook, you just removing. I will try to do with my left hand. So with hook, you just removing the lock and strip, right? Go around. All right, there is another one over here. Just pull another one around and right to the middle, a little bit past middle. All right, then you remove the middle one. Now for your convenience, you just break the seal between the glass. You just go around like this. All right. Go around. Before you install, make sure you clean the seal nicely before you put windshield on, so it prevents water leak and customer will be happy. All right, so the next step is going to be just to push windshield out, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we are in the cap, so I'm gonna push it out glass. I will try to do this one with one hand. Ooh. Yeah. Safety glasses. That's right. Just take it like this. And now we need to go outside and pick it up. All right. Also, always check the part number before you remove the old windshield. So make sure the old part number is matching is your new one, right? So now we're gonna remove the sticker, remove this gasket or protection, whatever, and we're gonna install or prepare to install. All right. Now we're gonna spray and we're gonna clean it. When you clean, make sure no glass inside so you don't cut yourself, but make sure you wear gloves and safety glasses. All right, so we clean it now. I'm gonna spray nicely and we'll go grab a glass and we'll install it. Sorry, I'm just doing with my one hand, so it's going to be difficult to record, but I will do my best, of course. All right, spray around, so nice lubrication with glass cleaner will help. Or if you have some kind of silicone spray, but silicone spray in the hot weather will dry faster. Put some lubrication in. All right, so it's hard to do glass by myself. So basically, when you have a glass, you put the bottom first, because you can't put both sides, like slide it in together, because there is air cleaner on the way, and light and sun visor. So you put bottom first and then try to wiggle inside. And I also have a suction cup from inside, so I went inside and I kind of pushed the rubber up and just to get slided. And then so when you get slided, you just try to push it in towards the center, and then use the hook and lots of loop, and just go like this a little bit, tap on top, and go like this again, and then tap a little bit more, you know, and then go on the corner, kind of like this, push up, and then go over here, and just like that. Now it's time to put lock. So you spray, kind of like go by section, do the top, and then do the side, do the bottom, and then do the middle, or whatever. Just do it by section, because it's the lubricant you're using probably gonna dry by the time when you get to the end. So go by section. All right, gentlemen. So I finished windshield for Western Star 2015 4900 model. So all clean and ready to go. All right. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Uncle Fix. This will help to move my videos and move my YouTube channel forward to get more views and likes. All right, share. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.